Hey guys, welcome back to... I can't talk. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about our favorite snacks for gaming. When I game, what snacks I want to eat. Huh? She likes her little yogurt treats, huh? That's yours. I like Takis. I like spicy stuff. They're good. Takis. Takis. I sound like a baby thing, but I like Go-Go Squeeze. The applesauce. They're good. Pretzels. Like pretzels. Those like pretzel chips. They're like flattened pretzels. Barbecue chip. Salt and vinegar chips. Is that really 10? Oh my goodness. I only thought of 3. I was supposed to think of 10. I like apple. No. Popcorn is fun. Popcorn's good. I like crackers and some crackers. No, you cannot have that. Doritos. So, let's see. Some Takis, Go-Go Squeeze, pretzels, barbecue chips, salt and vinegar chips. The pretzel chips. Those are so good. Especially the everything. They're good with hummus. I like spicy jelly. It's good. Huh. And then what's yours? I'm gonna say it's your yogurt treats, huh? Yeah. Or maybe a carrot. Do you want carrot? Oh. Yeah, yeah, so that's my 10 favorite snacks. Takis, applesauce, pretzels, barbecue chips, the salt and vinegar chips, pretzel chips, and just chips, popcorn. Cheese. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, I'll eat a lot of stuff. I mean, snack-wise. I like the fries, not like McDonald's fries, like Cheeto fries. They make there's Cheeto fries. I like those, but we don't get them often. And I'm the only one that really cares about them. Yogurt's good. Huh. Ah. We both like yogurt, huh? I think that's really it. I mean, what are you doing? What is this? Oh, she's in my shirt, jeez. What are you doing? She's in my arm now. Squeak, squeak. What was that about? Are you going back home? Goodbye. I don't know what she's doing. You're funny. Put her back down so she doesn't fall. Yeah, so, I mean, They're all good. Snacks are good. Maybe not good for you, but good. I think that's it. Hey, come out for this, please. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.